BJP MLA from South Shillong constituency Sanbor, Shullai, along with state BJP leaders and BSF officials, yesterday undertook a visit to the international border area at Dauki, Tamabil and Pirdiva village. Following a brief discussion with the top BSF officials at BOP Dauki, Shullai conducted an inspection to assess the situation in the border area due to the ongoing events in Bangladesh. Addressing the media, Shullai emphasized the need for the BSF troops to take decisive action in case of any illegal crossing from the Bangladesh side into India, even if it requires resorting to force.
BSF intact 24/7 kumbakju ya je patrolling kumbakile ke di jong kim kinang pangpanju su badru kala denru kisipai India hangne hajan hi kibla station lupa kibla long ready han ro ko kumbolong menta ki song suk song san te kumbolong de ba rang ba song ba ambrus khongla ba ya ka menta ho ki song suk song san ba mla ban tip ya ka ba sibet la sai ke ba banjiat kemun ngang so ban ai jero ru ya ki BSF nagal yang juga dor bar sinong lembaga village defense party kidon sengente sing samla